Here's a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a lasso. The hoop will be spinning in your hand in this webbed area between your thumb and index finger, not on your wrist like I see a lot of people doing when they first pick up a hula hoop. The hoop does not spin against your wrist like this, but in your hand, in this webbed area, when you grasp the hula hoop. With the hoop in your right hand, lift your arm above your head and use momentum to get the hoop to spin towards the direction of your thumb. Open your hand so the hoop rotates around your hand in the webbed area between your thumb and index finger. You can use momentum of your arm to get the hoop to start spinning and slightly wiggle your arm from front to back to keep the hoop rotating around your hand. Try closing your hand to stop the hoop and begin rotating it in the other direction using your momentum. You can see how my arm is slightly moving from front to back to keep the hoop rotating around my hand. No matter which direction the hoop is spinning, this motion in the arm remains the same. It can feel a little silly without the hoop, but it's how we keep the hoop moving. Once you have it with your right hand, let's try it with your left hand. Place the hoop in this area of your hand and lift your arm above your head. Use momentum to get the hoop to start spinning in the direction towards your thumb. Here's a slow view from the back. You can stop the hoop from rotating by closing your hand and use momentum to try spinning it in the other direction. Remember to make slight waves or movements in your arm to keep the hoop moving around your hand. Once you feel you have it down with both hands, let's now go over a couple transitions. First, start with the hoop in this lasso move, then bring the hoop in front of you to do a behind the back horizontal pass back up into lasso in the other hand. Once the hoop is in your other hand, change the direction it is spinning to do this transition or combo the other direction. You can also do this move starting and ending with the lasso in the same hand. Another transition is to jump through the hoop. This is a little bit dangerous and you'll see at the end I kind of fall over, but you start with the hoop in lasso, bring it in front of you, then jump through the circle and raise it back up into lasso. This is done while the hoop stays in the same hand the whole time. Like I said, it takes a little bit of athleticism, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!